If you're seeing itch.io error 141, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the two most common fixes step by step so you can get itch.io working again as quickly as possible. This issue is often caused by security software blocking the app from connecting properly or by a network stack problem on your PC. The good news is that both fixes are simple, and you can usually solve this in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to check your antivirus or firewall settings. Overly strict third-party anti-malware tools, including programs like Malwarebytes, can sometimes block the itch.io executable from reaching the network. That means the app may look like it should open normally, but behind the scenes, it's being stopped from connecting, which can trigger error 141. To fix that, open your security software and look for a whitelist, exclusions list, allowed apps section, or trusted programs area. Add the itch.io app to that list so it's allowed to communicate freely. If your antivirus gives you a temporary disable option, you can also turn it off briefly just to test whether that's the cause. After making the change, try launching itch.io again and see if the error is gone. If it works, then you've confirmed that the security software was the problem. If you still get the error, don't worry, we've got another fix that can help. Next, we're going to flush your network settings by resetting Winsock. This can help if the problem is coming from a corrupted networking configuration on your computer. On Windows, click into the search bar and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because the command needs admin access to make the change. Once the command prompt window opens, type netsh winsock reset and then press enter. Windows will process the command and reset the network socket settings. After that, restart your PC immediately. The restart is a crucial step because the changes won't fully take effect until your system comes back up. Once your computer restarts, open itch.io again and test it one more time. In many cases, one of these two fixes will resolve error 141 right away. If the app still doesn't connect, double check that your firewall or antivirus is not still blocking it in the background and make sure the reset command completed successfully. The key thing is that error 141 is usually not a permanent problem. It's typically a security or networking issue that can be fixed with the right settings. So, to recap, first, whitelist itch.io or temporarily disable your third-party antivirus or firewall to see if it's blocking the app. Then, if needed, run command prompt as administrator, use netsh winsock reset, and restart your computer immediately. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.